up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today we actually have so much shit to do. I'm backed up, and there is no good way of that. So we got to actually drain the water. I have distilled water in Jack Black, and it is getting cold as shit. So I don't want the water to freeze in the block, crack the block, and my boy go down. So we got to drain that bitch out. That's first of all. Second of all, I think my water pump is actually going. I really do believe that it's the original water pump, and all this boost, man, it don't like it. So we got a lot of shit to do. Let's start by draining this coolant, aka distilled water, and yeah, we'll go from there. So it kind of sucks balls. We got to get down to the water pump. Luckily, it looks kind of worse than what it is. Yeah, not too many steps, and we'll get it off. Do a little inspection, but like I said, let's drain this water. Also, little update on the oil pan. Still fucking leaking. So many little but big issues. Anyways, let's just get on to problem number one. Here we go. This is gonna make a big mess, I can already tell, but that's all right. How many threads are on this fucking plastic thing? Whew. Come on, start squirting. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Oh god. Oh shit. This is awful. I forgot how bad this is. Okay, oh my god. It's sad, I put quite a bit of distilled water and there's quite a bit of coolant, but that's okay. With my luck, it'd be freezing, crack the block, and I'd be like, it's blue, what the hell? Just forgetting that I put distilled water in it. Anywho. All right, well, an hour has gone by and we got this bad boy. Now, I don't even know if I technically need it, which is pretty stupid, but I'd rather, have it and not need it than need it and not have it, So I think I said that right. Now, let's just start ripping this shit apart. There's a little more, involved than I remember, but let's just get to it, and yeah. Alrighty, so we're just getting this bracket off her, and I at least said we might need to loosen this. We probably don't have to take it off because we're not taking off the belts. So yeah, let's rock it. Alrighty, so we are just getting this bracket off right here and getting a whole bunch of the other stuff off. We do need to pull the crank pulley down there, and that really kind of sucks, but whatever, just part of it. So alrighty, let's get this freaking belt off. We've have our alternator loosened up. Bam. Okay. Stay there. Alrighty, so let's get this crank pulley off, huh? Definitely need this. Classic Honda tool. Alright, so one of the funnest parts of this whole fucking thing, the old crank pulley bolt. Hell yeah. Alright, it's looking pretty good, pretty bare, just like I like it. So I think we're gonna zip tie the top of the timing belt just where it is. And yeah, we'll see what's up. Alright, timing belt is off. And water pump is actually about to come off. So we are kicking some ass. So I can't show it to you, but yeah, literally has a little like rockiness to it. You know, it's pretty loose, but then when you do move it, it feels pretty rocky. So really glad we swapped it out with that mofo. We're all bolted up. Let's get this timing belt back on and just keep going. All right, hell yeah. Went pretty quick. We had the tensioner tightened back up. And yeah, looking pretty good. So yeah, you know the motto, let's just keep fucking at it. A little dirty, but we got our crank bolt back in, all torqued down. We need our alternator belt. We need some coolant, and I really want to fire this thing up and see if that solves my overheating issues. I don't know if I said in the last video, but yeah, he just like shot up to 220 the other day, so. Man, it's just going too smooth, so that's not good. So let's fucking put some coolant, check that oil, and hopefully fire him up. But there might be a problem. All right, well, it is a new day. It's been many days because it's been snowing like a mofo. Now, I mean, it went from like 70s to snow in like fucking a day. So, and now it's just all snow. Oh no. Anywho, well, I still haven't fired this bitch up. So we're looking to actually do that today. I've cleared out a bunch of the snow. I need to pull, the story is, Jack Black has snow tires on the backs, and they've been there for years. So I'm gonna swap these out. I have my wheel spacers, and we're gonna put the Inkies with the snow tires in the front. We're gonna put these fuckers in the back, be able to move him, because I really need to put my snow tires on the rear from the Prelude onto the fronts. Really dumb. So that's really where we're at right now. Always takes longer than anticipated, but you know what? Winter mode, yeah, I guess, is established. So let's check it out. Yeah, we got some decent meat, not great. These are like 5 years old or something, but fuck it. Let's fucking let's warm them up. We gotta look for leaks and shit. God, I haven't even fired them up. Oh yeah, you did great today, Mr. Eater. Good old Harbor Freight. And you gotta re-shovel this. Lovely. Alright, well, we got the CRV moved out of the way. But I'm actually pretty stressed about this. Even with the snow tires. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna just try and creep up it a little bit. But let's warm them up and see what happens. All right, Jack, good morning, which is usually nighttime. good. A little cold, but he's just warming up. Super lean. It's okay. Just gotta warm up. Alright, big question. Not leaking coolant. I think we're just gonna edge them down that way. See what's up. And we might just try a little and see if he slides. I don't know. We might see if the thermostat opens. Looks like it's holding very well. Alright, well, that was half of the battle. Not really leaking. AFRs are weird. I think that's because I have an exhaust gasket fucking leak. Whatever. It's before the O2 sensor. So we're looking good. Let's just try and edge them down there, huh? See if we get them up. Oh yeah, we're good. Good job, Jack. Right tires, fucking right tool for everything. 180, I love it. Let's freaking go. Beautiful. Now the next challenge, let's get this motherfucker in there. Yeah, we got, yeah, whatever, we'll see. Motherfucker's a surgeon, come on, let's go. Didn't record because it was stressful as fuck. But let's get this fucker in and out as quick as possible so that it doesn't melt all over me. So let's go. Close. Oh shit. Alright, well, not too horrible. Let's dry this stiff up. Tires are changed. Probably about 12 minutes, something like that. Hey, what'd I do for this freaking thing? Alright, Jack. Let's get you back where you belong, huh? In a semi-protected garage. Alright. I can record this one because, jeez, just put my camera right here. 85 smells bomb. Wish I could take it for a rip. Alright, well, I mean, wasn't much, but we got something done. And now that my daily, aka the Hoopty Prelude, you know, has some snow tires on the front, just makes me feel a little better. Well, it'll dry. So, pretty successful. I know it's kind of weird just swapping shit out, but with all this snow, definitely need the best tires that I can get, really. Oh yeah, and we did swap out the water pump, Mr. Jack Black, and timing belt came off. So, yeah, just thanks for watching. It's quick and easy. If you liked it, give a like, give a comment. If, I don't know. want to talk about tires. And the subscribes, right? Oh, Mr. Jack Blake. See you guys on the next one. Later.